Beta, now I'm going to go ahead and take question number 7A of 2023 paper. Try to read the question, what it is saying. It says, find the level curve for the following function. You are given this function here, and you need to go ahead and find the level curve for three values of k. K is equal to -1, 0, and 1. And you need to go ahead and plot them in the same graph, right? So let's start, beta. So I will start with the first value. So I will start with taking k is equal to 1. So I will go ahead and get f of xy is equal to 1. So my function is 2x minus 2y upon x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 1. So this goes ahead and gives me 2x minus 2y is equal to x square plus y square plus 1. And now I will just go ahead and I will simplify this thing better. So how can I go ahead and how can I simplify this thing? I can just go ahead and take these two things on that side. So x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square plus 2y is equal to 0. So this will be x minus 1 whole square plus y square plus 2y. I will just subtract 1 and add 1 to it equal to 0. So this will give me x minus 1 whole square, and y square plus 2y plus 1 will be y plus 1 whole square. So plus y plus 1 whole square, and this can just go on the other side and this becomes 1. So if you notice here, this is giving me x minus a square plus y minus b square is equal to r square. This looks like this. So it looks very similar to the equation of a circle, beta, with the center at 1, minus 1. So center at x is 1, y is minus 1, and the radius of 1. So this is how your circle will go ahead and look. Is this clear? So this looks like a circle. ये समझ में आई बात? अच्छा, y is y minus 1 बेटा, क्योंकि इसको इस फॉर्मेट में लिखना है ना, तो you can just write it like this: y minus 1 whole square. So then this is how it will go ahead and look. Okay, now let's go to the second part. So second part is saying take k as -1. ठीक है. So I will just go ahead and repeat this process. So f of xy will be equal to -1 beta. So this will go ahead and give me 2x minus 2y upon x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to -1. So this will give me 2x minus 2y is equal to x square plus y square plus 1 into -1. This will give me 2x minus 2y is equal to minus x square minus y square minus 1. I will just take everything on this side. So I will get 2x minus 2y plus x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. So I will get x square plus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 2y is equal to 0. And now what I can do, this will be simply x plus 1 whole square, and this will be y square minus 2y. I will add 1 and subtract 1 equal to 0. So x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. You can now go ahead and compare it with x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So the center now becomes, beta यहाँ पे हो जाएगा x minus -1 whole square, okay ना? तो center now becomes x will be -1 and y will be 1. This will be your center and radius will be 1. So this will be your level curve. This will be your circle, right? Okay. Now let us go ahead and take the last part. So now it goes ahead and it says k is equal to 0. So we will go ahead and we will implement f of xy is equal to 0. So I will go ahead and get 2x minus 2y upon x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. This can simply go here. So 2x minus 2y is equal to 0. And this will go ahead and give me x is equal to y. This will give me x is equal to y. So this is a line passing through the origin, right? So this is how you can go ahead and make level curves of these equations, beta. I hope the question is absolutely clear to you. Okay, thank you, beta.